Hello, our dear subscribers. We are very happy to see you again on our channel. We are very happy that you respect our creativity and support our channel. It is very important for us. Today, we want to show you another village life. Today, we will show you how to make sweet jam from picking strawberries in one of the strawberry fields. Today, you can see that our hero goes to the strawberry field and picks strawberries with his own hands. Have you picked strawberries in the field even once? If so, leave your opinion in the comments. If you haven't typed, leave a comment that you would like to type. Picking strawberries, sorting them, separating the worst ones is a separate work, and farming families rent these fields for a season and work here all summer to grow strawberries. After the strawberries are ripe, they pick and sort them together as a family. This process is very interesting and fun.
Kim ola? Ha, buzlar gelme. Ti pas trop gana?
Today's hero is also in the act of picking strawberry and making delicious jam for the winter. Everyone prepares this jam differently. Our hero preferred to cook in the oven on firewood. Baking a dessert is just as delicious as cooking in the oven. Only a person who has tried to prepare it on fire can bring it to perfection. It is very necessary to clean and wash the cooking utensils, because the product taken away for the winter should be cleaned and sterilized very well so that it does not spoil quickly. Otherwise, the product taken away for the winter will quickly turn bad. It is very important to save water in rural conditions. You might be wondering what this thing our hero is using. This is a device that draws water from the ground. That is, until the water comes out, the ground is dug deep. And after the water comes out, this device is the distance of water from the ground can be too long or too short. For example, it can come from a depth of 5 meters or 50 meters. But the water that comes out of the ground is very clean and tasty. By pouring a little water into this device, it is possible to draw water from the ground. That is, it can be used as a pump. You can easily use this water for household chores. After washing the strawberries well, it is necessary to dip them in sugar. The more you dip in sugar, the sweeter the strawberry will be. Dip in sugar and wait for a while. During this time, it is necessary to open the furnaces, select the wood, and start lighting the fire in the furnace. After the strawberries have released their juice, they need to be slowly put into the hot pot. After putting them in the pot, the previously prepared glass jars should be thoroughly washed and sterilized. If we leave the sterilized jars in the heat of the sun, they will become clean and germ-free again.
Right, come on.
After a while, the pot with the strawberries will start to boil a little. And after the sugars in the pot melt, put them in jars and close the mouth. We are very happy if you like the video we want to show you today. We are waiting for your opinion and likes and comments. Let us know in the comments what else we will cover in the next videos.